Magic English YouTube channel presents.
Solar System. The Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma, heated to incandescence by nuclear fusion reactions in its core, radiating the energy mainly as visible light and infrared radiation. It is by far the most important source of energy for life on Earth. Its diameter is about 1.39 million kilometers, 8,64,000 miles, or 109 times that of Earth. Its mass is about 3,30,000 times that of Earth. It accounts for about 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. Roughly 3/4 of the Sun's mass consists of hydrogen, 73%. The rest is mostly helium, 25%, with much smaller quantities of heavier elements, including oxygen, carbon, neon and iron.
The Earth.
Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor life. About 29.2% of Earth's surface is land consisting of continents and islands. The remaining 70.8% is covered with water, mostly by oceans, seas, gulfs, and other saltwater bodies, but also by lakes, rivers, and other fresh water, which together constitute the hydrosphere. Much of Earth's polar regions are covered in ice. Earth's outer layer is divided into several rigid tectonic plates that migrate across the surface over many millions of years, while its interior remains active with a solid iron inner core, a liquid outer core that generates Earth's magnetic field, and a convective mantle that drives plate tectonics. The Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system, after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times that of Earth. It only has 1/8 the average density of Earth, however, with its larger volume, Saturn is over 95 times more massive. Saturn is named after the Roman god of wealth and agriculture. Its astronomical symbol represents the god sickle. The Romans named the seventh day of the week Saturday, Saturni dies, Saturn's day, no later than the 2nd century for the planet Saturn. The Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined, but a little less than 1,000th the mass of the Sun. Jupiter is the third brightest natural object in the Earth's night sky after the Moon and Venus. It has been observed since prehistoric times and is named after the Roman god Jupiter, the king of the gods, because of its massive size. The Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Its name is a reference to the Greek god of the sky, Uranus, who, according to Greek mythology, was the great-grandfather of Ares, Mars, grandfather of Zeus, Jupiter, and father of Cronus, Saturn. It has the third largest planetary radius and fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. The Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being larger than only Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the Red Planet. The latter refers to the effect of the iron oxide prevalent on Mars's surface, which gives it a reddish appearance distinctive among the astronomical bodies visible to the naked eye. 18. Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere, with surface features reminiscent of the impact craters of the Moon and the valleys, deserts and polar ice caps of Earth. The Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. As the brightest natural object in Earth's night sky after the Moon, Venus can cast shadows and can be, on rare occasions, visible to the naked eye in broad daylight. Venus lies within Earth's orbit, and so never appears to venture far from the Sun, either setting in the west just after dusk or rising in the east a little while before dawn. Venus orbits the Sun every 224.7 Earth days. With a rotation period of 243 Earth days, it takes significantly longer to rotate about its axis than any other planet in the solar system, and does so in the opposite direction to all but Uranus, meaning the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Venus does not have any moons, a distinction it shares only with Mercury among the planets in the solar system.